we need to make the cylinder a little less than what are the actual dimensions of my resonator. Let's give it an z center of 60 and a height of, let's say, it can be any height but not less than the resonator. So let's make it 140 and the material should be vacuum. So let's preview it. So when we preview it, we see that there's our resonator cylinder. Let's no, it's not right. So let's just go there again. We haven't assigned any thickness to our cylinder. So for that, we need to correct our dimensions from -140 to 140. So let's preview it now and it seems good now. So now take a look at the point where the cylinder and the resonator that are placed there, that's a common point between them. They're exactly touching each other, which means that now we can bend our resonator over the cylinder. So first of all, what we need to do is to convert our substrate into a sheet. So let's go to shape tools and we need to select the substrate. Let's go to the shape tools and we need to convert it to a sheet, which means that we need to remove its thickness by going to this option. So we uncheck the two options. Now we see that our substrate is a very thin sheet. Now we need to bend this substrate over the cylinder. So we select it and we double click on the cylinder. It's bent over to the cylinder. So we press the enter. Now we need to do the same procedure for our resonators. So we select all the resonators, which are 7 in number. So it's 6 and 7. Oh, I need to do it again. Press Control and the down arrow. We'll be selecting all your resonators. Oh, I need to do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All of the resonators are selected. First, we need to go to the shape tools and convert to sheet. Then we need to go. Let's wait a little bit. Then we need to go to the same shape tools option and simplify sheet metal. We uncheck these two options. we bend the shape over the no, let's wait because we need to select all of the cylinders, all of the resonators. So let's select them. 6 and 7. Oh, I forgot. And one. So I think I've selected all the resonators. Now I will go to the bend shape option and bend it over to the cylinder. Now double click on the cylinder. So it's done. Let's press enter. And now we will give the dimension, the thickness of the resonators back. So let's see if all the resonators are selected. So all are selected, and let's give the thickness back to them. For that we will simplify the shape.